Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 18. The figure shows a part of a n-sided polygon where each side is produced a1, a2, a3, a4 to an, and the interior angles of the polygon are x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5, and the sum of these a1, a2, a3, a4 are the interior angles of the polygon, and x1, x2, x3, x4 are the exterior angles of the given polygon. And we have to find that, show that the sum of the exterior angle of the polygon is 360 degree. We have to prove that all the exterior angles will make 360 degree. We have to prove it. We know that the sum of all the angles of the exterior angle is equals to 360 degree, but in this question we have to prove it. So starting this question, this is the polygon with n sided. We didn't know how many sides of this polygon have. So supposing that this is point A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So in this point we know that the interior angle and the exterior angle will make 180 degree, means that A1 plus x1 will make 360 degree. At point B also A2 and x2 will make 180 degree, A3 and x3 will also make 180 degree, and A4 and x4 will also make 180 degree. So starting this question, the given figure is a polygon with n sides. As we know that the sum of all interior angles of polygon of any polygon is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree, and all interior angles are the interior angles are a1, a2, a3 to a4, a1, a2, a3, a4 to an, means that two number of sides, means if the sides are 20, so a1, a2, a3 to a4 to a20. If the given sides are 50, so a1, a2, a3, a4 to a50. It depends upon the value of the n, how many sides the polygon have. So it means that the interior angles are a1, a2, a3, a4 to an. These are all the interior angles, and the sum of the interior angles will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So it is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is equation number 1. Second, at point A we know that at point A in this figure, we know that at point A the x1 and the a1 and the x1, a1 and x1, these two angles will make 180 degree. Similarly at point B a2 and x2 will make 180 degree. So we can say that a1 will be equal to 180 minus x1. Similarly a2 will be equal to 180 minus x2. Similarly at point C, a3 and x3 will make 180 degree. So a3 will be equal to 180 minus x3. So similarly at point nth point, means that this is the point A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and to the nth point the angle AN and XN will make 180 degree. It means that AN will be equal to 180 minus XN. So these are the values of A1, A2, A3 to AN. So putting these values of A2, A3, A4, A5, AN in this equation, so equation 1 implies that A1 will be equal to 180 minus x1 plus 180 minus x2 plus 180 minus x3 to 180 minus xn, and these will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So by opening this all the brackets, so it will be 80 plus minus x1 plus 180 minus x2 plus 180 minus x3 plus 180 minus x4 to 180 minus xn will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now there will be 80, 180, 180, 180, 180, 180, 180. So this 180 will be n times, because we have n different sides. So it means that 180, there will be n 180s, n time 180. So if I write n times 180, so the remaining are minus x1, minus x2, minus x3, minus 4. By taking minus s common, the remaining are x1 plus x2 plus x3 to xn, and these are all equal to n minus 2 into 180. So x1, x2, x3, these the sum of x1, x2, x3 to xn, these all are the exterior angles, and the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 180 degree. As we know that as sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 360 degree, and x1, the sum of x2, sum of x3 to sum of xn all are the exterior angles. So this equation will be n times 180 minus, and x1, x2, x3 to xn, these are the sum of the exterior angles. So the sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So the sum of these angles will be equal to 360 degree into n minus 2 into 180 degree. This will be equal to 180n minus 360, and 180n minus 180 into 2, 360 degree. 180 into 2 will be 360. Sorry, we have made a mistake here. We cannot use the term that the sum of all the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree, because we have to prove it. We have to prove that the sum of all the exterior angles will be equal to 360 degree. So we cannot put the sum of all the exterior angle will be equal to 360 degree. So again, solving from here, it is n into 180 minus x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 to xn will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now this is 180n minus x1, x2, x3 to xn will be equal to 180n minus 182 into 360 degree. So this value is negative, so moving this value on this side and these two terms on this side, so it will be 180n minus 180n minus 360 will be positive 360, and this whole term will be negative here. Moving on the other side, it will be positive, so it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 to xn. This positive will cancel by this negative, so the x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 to xn will be equal to 360 degree, and we have to prove that the sum of all the exterior angles will be equal to 360 degree. and we have proved it that the sum of all the exterior angles, these x1, x2, x3, x4, all the to xn are the exterior angles, and the sum of the exterior angles is 360 degree. We have a mistake here, sorry for that. This is the question number 18. We have done it. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.